how to access and use the spotlight feature on Snapchat. If you love creating and sharing short videos, this feature is perfect for you, so let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. And make sure if there is an update, click on Update. Once updated, open Snapchat. You'll be on the main screen area. To access Spotlight, tap on the play button icon at the bottom of your screen. Now welcome to the Spotlight here. Here you can watch trending snaps from users all around the world. Swipe up or down to explore different videos. To like a snap, simply tap the heart icon on the right. But that's not all. You can also create your own spotlight video. Here's how. Go back to the main camera screen by tapping the camera icon at the bottom. Now create a snap just like you normally would. You can record a video by holding down the capture button, add filters, stickers, text, or any effects you like to make it stand out. Once you're happy with your snap, tap the send to button at the bottom right. Here you'll see an option called Spotlight. Tap on Spotlight. You can add a topic or caption to help others find this video. When you're ready, hit the send button, and that's it. Your snap is now submitted to the Spotlight. If it's get featured, you'll be able to see it in the Spotlight feed and might even earn rewards for popular snaps.